Hello everyone, my name is William, and today I'm going to teach you about Introduction to Unity C#, and this will be our final tutorial talking about classes. Now, what are classes? Well, classes are essentially types that have, functions and properties and, variables, and this is a class right here. Whenever you create a new script in C#, in Unity, it has its own class. And we don't have to put everything in this one class. We can actually create multiple classes in the same script actually. So let's create, and classes are useful because they can hold a lot of variables. So let's say you want to create something like an item, right? That's what we're going to create. So public class item. Items have many variables, so you're going to want to create your own type regarding that. And so let's set multiple variables. There's a public int item ID, public string item name, and public bool item craftable. And let's go here and let's create a constructor. So constructors are, I don't have to type it out, but constructors are essentially what you do when creating a new type. You have to set the variables here. So let's do public item int ID, string name, and bool craftable. And here we're going to set item ID is equal to ID, item name is equal to name, and item craftable is equal to craftable. And so there we have it. And so let's go here and let's create an entirely new item class. So public item computer is equal to new item. Let's set the item ID to 0, and as you can see, we get a drop down menu of all the parameters. So ID is 0. Let's put the name to computer, and let's put the craftable to true. You can craft a computer. And let's make another item, public item chair is equal to new item 1, call it chair, and let's set a craftable to false, so we can't craft this. And what we want to do is we want to test these values, so let's print computer dot item ID, and let's print chair dot item name. And also we can change the IDs of things. We can change the values of variables here. So let's set computer.itemID is equal to 1. Then we can print it out again. And let's play and see what happens. And then as you can see, it sets to 0. Then it sets back to 1. And so that's what happens. We can change the variables inside of a function, inside of a class, and we can also set multiple constructors. So let's say we want a null item, right? So let's do public item without any parameters. And what we can set here is we can set item ID is equal to -1, item name is equal to null, and item craftable is equal to false. So here we can set public item null item is equal to new item, and then if we do empty parameters, then it will just show nothing. So let's do print null item dot item ID. Then it should give us -1. See, it gives us -1, so we can have many different. So if we want an item with only an ID and a name without a craftable, we can do that. And what's also good about this is that about classes is that we can actually make classes which are subclasses of this. So because item's very broad. Let's say we want to make item potion, right? So let's go here and let's create a new public class. Let's set potion, and let's set it as a subclass of armor. And then we can do public int potion ID and public. No, we don't have to do ID. Yeah, we can do public int health. Public. No, potion health. No, heal. And public int. No, public bool potion. Poison. No, not poison. No, let's say public int poison cooldown. There we have two variables in potion, and let's create a new potion. So public potion health potion is equal to new potion. And let's delete all this. Let's print health potion dot, and see if we get potion aspects and armor aspects. So let's get the ID. No, wait, what? No, health potion dot. Sorry, this is for something else. Health potion dot. Wait, oh, this is for armor. Sorry, item. This is armor for a different class that I tested with. So potion dot item ID. And then let's do this, and let's play. And as we can see, we get the ID is -1 because it's set to default like that. It's set to a default item, a no item, I mean. And so yeah, there you have it. That's all there is to know about classes. And so if you have any other questions to ask about, then let me know. But it's the end of our Introduction to C# tutorial, but of course there's much more to learn, but we'll learn that later. And so I'll see you next time. Bye.